Hello and welcome to lesson number 17. Today we'll talk about daily routines, what we do every day. Okay, so aim of the lesson is to learn sentences to talk about daily routines. Okay, so the question could be, they could ask, what do you do every day, or what's your daily routine? Okay, or what's your routine? Same meaning. So you can say every day go up. So these are two words, okay, not one. Okay, every space day. Okay, another every day, when there is no space, it is a different word, it has a different meaning. Okay, that's an adjective. This is an adverb here for time. Every day I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. All right, so because you use 6 o'clock in the morning, you use only o'clock with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so if you write 6:30, can you use o'clock? Can you? No, you will use AM for morning and PM for evening and night. Okay, so don't ever say 6:30 o'clock. No. All right, again, 2-3 words together when you read. Okay, every day emotions. Every day I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. In the morning. So this is very, very weak. Okay, you don't say in the morning, in the morning. Okay, let's move on. Then go up. I brush teeth. You can say I brush my teeth, but generally we brush our teeth, right? So it's you don't need to use my. Okay, you can simply say then I brush teeth, or you can say my teeth if you want to. Okay. I exercise for 40 minutes. Exercise for 1 hour, or I go running. Depends on you, right? So I exercise for 40 minutes. Minutes. Okay, why minutes? Because of soft and soft. Okay. The next sentence could be I take a shower at 8 o'clock. All right. Take a shower. Again, together. You can say have a shower. Have a shower, take a shower. So same meaning. Okay. So if people use have, that's okay as well. 8 o'clock. Down. I have breakfast at 8:30 a.m. So see? No o'clock, yeah? AM is correct. I have breakfast at 8:30 a.m. So you can say have. You can say eat. Yeah? What else can you say? Can you say take? Yes, you can say take also. Okay? I eat breakfast at 8:30 a.m. I take breakfast at 8:30 a.m. Okay? So that's how it is. Then you can say I go to work at 9 o'clock. Go down. Or I go to school at 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock. Or if you go to university, you can say I go to university at 9 o'clock. So if you work, use this sentence. If you go to school or university, use this sentence. But for this lesson, I would use work, okay, in the end. Okay? All right. I have lunch at 1 p.m. So 1 o'clock, then you can say 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, because 1 o'clock is also night, like morning time. I have, you can also write it like this. Contraction, like short way of writing. And then it would become I've, okay? But we have not written it like this, so we'll read it like I have lunch at 1 p.m. After this, of course, you can say I go back home at 6 p.m. Okay, so I go back home at 6 p.m. Okay? Evening, of course. So you can say 6 o'clock in the evening or 6 p.m. Easy, yeah? After that, the other sentence could be in the evening. So comma, so go up. In the evening, I use social media for 2 hours. It's only for this lesson, okay? I know we use social media throughout the day, Okay, 24 hours maybe. But let's say that, ideally you use only for 2 hours. The rest of the time we are just, busy doing work, studying, other things, playing. Okay. In the evening, I use social media for 2 hours. Hours. Okay. Why? Vibration. So z. Okay. Later, go up. I have, or because it's not contracted, you can say I have dinner with my family at 8 p.m. But generally we speak faster, yeah. So you can say when you're talking, because nobody's reading then, right? Later, I have dinner with my family at 8 p.m. Okay, or you can say 8 o'clock at night. So same meaning, but this is easy to say, right? Okay. And I chat with my family at night, or I talk with my family at night. You can change, yeah. You can say I chat with my friends at night. Yeah? I chat with my mom at night. I chat with my children at night. I chat with my husband at night. Okay, anybody for that matter. And in the end, you can say I go to bed at 10 p.m. I know nobody goes at 10, but that's the best time, I think. You can say 12, but that will be 12 a.m., right? Anyway, I go to bed at 10 p.m. Alright, let's see what we have got now. So the question could be, what do you do every day? Or the question could also be, what's your routine? Like, what's your routine? Of course, every day. But I just want to write a question, shorter one. What's your routine? Okay. The answer could be, every day I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning, go down. Then go up, I brush teeth. Then I brush teeth and exercise for 40 minutes. Here we go down, but here teeth go a little higher. Why? Because it's not finished. The sentence is not finished yet. Okay. Then I brush teeth and exercise for 40 minutes. I take a shower at 8 o'clock. Again, go a little higher. And have breakfast at 8:30 a.m. Okay. I go to work at 9 o'clock. I have lunch at 1 p.m. and I go back home at 6 p.m. So I told you for this lesson I'm using go to work. You can use go to school, go to university as well. Okay, and other sentences will be the same. Alright, don't forget to use at for time. In the evening, go up. I use social media for 2 hours. Later, so don't forget hours. Later, I have dinner at 8 p.m. Go down. I chat with my family at night and then go to bed at 10 p.m. Okay, again, here we go a little higher. It's about the voice, okay? I told you before as well, emotions. And then in the end, you can ask the same question. What about you? Okay, or what's your routine? Or what do you do every day? Okay. Alright, let me read it non-stop. What do you do every day? Or what's your routine? So you can say, every day I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Then I brush teeth and exercise for 40 minutes. I take a shower at 8 o'clock and have breakfast at 8:30 a.m. I go to work at 9 o'clock. I have lunch at 1 p.m. and I go back home at 6 p.m. In the evening, I use social media for 2 hours. Later, I have dinner at 8 p.m. I chat with my family at night and then go to bed at 10 p.m. What about you? And then the other person can talk about his or her routine. All right. So keep practicing this language. I think this is really useful, because when you meet somebody new, you do talk about what you do every day or on the weekend. Okay, so I'll be back again. Enjoy yourselves. Take care. Bye.